Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we are in the Erin Condren horizontal, and the spread will be for December 7th through December 13th. And my favorite color is pink. I think I've mentioned that before. And when I saw all of the pink stickers that were in the new Christmas book, I had to do a spread, and I knew that I wanted to do it early in December because I wanted to, as the weeks went on, I wanted to gradually get more into the Christmas colors. So I did pull all of my stickers from the winter book. So let's get started. This is, because it's all green, I'm gonna go ahead and put some washi down. Now this washi I found, you can't really tell, but it looks like it's snowflakes. It's really pretty. It's very light. So let's go ahead and just lay this down. Let me see if that green is like too obvious. It's not too bad. Okay, let's get our little cards to cut. I hope everybody had a good week. It was nice having that break for Thanksgiving. And I thought, honestly, this week, you know, after a holiday, usually the week drags on so much, but not this week. It flew by. Before we knew it, it was Friday afternoon. Now, as you know, this is the planner that I use as a journal. And I know that this week I really don't have much going on, so I don't know that I would be journaling that much. Oops. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate till my heart's content. Okay, let's see. So last week I did the spread with the corgis? Those little dogs. Oh my gosh, I think that was my most favorite spread so far. I mean, I've loved like all my spreads, or for the most part, most of them, but the one with the dogs, it was just too cute. You'll have to check out that video. All right, we're almost done. And I promise this video isn't gonna be too long. That video that I did, because I wasn't prepared and I didn't know what I was really gonna do, it was a 50-minute video, and me and my son had to edit it down so that it was only about 30 minutes long. I talked way too much in the video. If you guys like my story times, let me know, and I will do more story times. I love it when I watch videos and they tell stories, because I always think that everybody else's life is more interesting than mine. But, you know, who knows? Alrighty, so we've got those out. And I know that, here are the stickers that I'm gonna be using. I know that I definitely, this is the inspiration, was the holiday cheer sticker. So I wanna go ahead and put that down here as best as I can. Oh, that is so cute. All right, and then also because this Christmas ball had silver in it, and so did this one. Actually, all of the Christmas balls did. I went ahead and I pulled a little bit of silver. So I have this sticker that says Spread Christmas Cheer, and I thought that I could put, should I do, oh, you know what? Let me do one of these so we could do it like right here, and then put this guy, oop, like right next to it. Let me straighten it out a little bit. Oh. Alrighty. All right. Spread some Christmas cheer. And actually, I think I want to add some silver on this side so it kind of balances out. Let's go ahead and put that there. And then we have the word joy. Should I do joy over here or down here? I don't really want them next to each other. Let's do joy right here. And then we can put maybe this Christmas sweater. Let's do that Christmas sweater like that. And then we'll do the cup right here maybe. There, that way it gives me a little bit of room. You know, I gotta have my room to write. And then this says believe, but I'd like something behind it or next to it. Maybe the candy cane. Should I put that over here? Actually, let's put that over here. Put the candy cane right under it. Okay. And then we have let's get cozy. We can put that there. We have jingle bells. I have some of these silver snowflakes. I don't even know if you can really see that. Let's go ahead and put that there. Okay, and then this silver snowflake, we'll put it right there. Then this one says wrapping presents. Let's put that there. Here's a little candy cane heart, candy canes. Let's put that right here. How about that? And then we have these two Christmas balls. I think I like them right here. Okay, I think this one's crooked. So let's go ahead and fix that guy if I can pull it up. All right, let's lay him a little bit straighter. Okay, so that's all I have, but let me look through the book one more time and see if there's anything else. We do have this. That would be, would that be cute right here? Would it be cute right there, right here? Yeah, let's go ahead and put it right there. Oh, that's not straight. So I had watched this show called Virgin River. It's on Netflix. And they just came out with the second season. And I've already gone through it. It's such a good show. Okay. And I think we need something over here. Maybe this guy. Can you see what I'm getting at? This guy right here. Let's put that guy right here. Here's a little bow. Maybe I could put the bow on top of it. Or let's see where we can put the bow. Right here, right there. On top of that one. Maybe we'll just put the little bow right here. I think, guys, that is it. So what do you think about it? I think it gives me enough room to write a few things here and there. And it's pink, my favorite color. And I just absolutely love it. So I hope you do too. Please don't forget to like and comment. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.